Time steps, pre-bronze level cha-cha. Demonstration first. Reverse angle. Time steps. Timing. So we have a 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now description of the steps. So we have together, place change, together. So we just weight change in place. Then we have a triple step or side chasse. Side chasse. Together, together, side chasse. Now key points here is your footwork. So footwork is the same as you do in every step. You have toe ball heel here, inside edge of the toe ball heel. Now here, when you're going side, you have ball heel, then you have ball. Now do not put heel down on the next step. So keep this leg, heel is up. Just push from the ball of the foot and land toe ball heel for the next step. The next thing is a connection, so stay with your spines towards your partner. So you feel this pressure, and man leading, ladies following. So we're slightly initiating the movement and also focusing very much on the hip level of your partner.